In this class we will learn how to create cylindrical solids using the Revolved Boss, Base and Revolved Cut revolution tools. Let's go to class. Open the available file to track. The command Revolved Boss, Base adds material and requires the selection of a plan and creation of a sketch, or the selection of an existing sketch. We select the sketch in the Feature Manager and click on the command. Note that the selected profile is shown in blue. In the Property Manager, we need to select a rotation axis, which can also be a reference line. We select the line shown and observe the preview. We must take care when selecting this axis of rotation, because, note that when selecting another line, the geometry to be created changes completely. In direction 1 we have the final conditions and we must inform the angle of rotation. We leave blind and in angle we type 180 degrees. Look at the preview, we're creating half the geometry. We change the angle to 360 degrees and confirm the command, creating the complete geometry. Using the other sketch, we will remove material with the command Revolved Cut. With the sketch selected, we click on the command. Its operation is similar to Revolved Boss, Base, however, it is necessary to have a solid from which to remove the material. We select the line shown for reference and have the preview. We confirm and observe the result. This command is very useful for creating internal details in cylindrical parts. Open this file, used in previous classes, to learn other options for revolution commands. We select the sketch shown and click on the command Revolved Boss, Base. A message is displayed, alerting that this sketch is an open outline and asking if we want it to be closed automatically. By clicking Yes, SolidWorks automatically swaps the center line for a continuous line and applies the command, creating a solid part. We click No and select the center line as the reference line for the rotation. Note that the preview is shown and the thin feature option is enabled automatically. We change the value of the thickness and confirm the command. Look, we've created a shell solid. We learned in this class how to add and remove material using revolution commands, very useful for modeling cylindrical geometries.